Hello everyone, I am Chirag Sharma from International Institute of Professional Studies DABV. This video presentation is a part of my assignment for cloud computing subject under the guidance of Dr. Vivek Srivastav sir. So let's get started. Today in this video presentation, we will discuss about what is virtual machine, then we will see the steps to download VMware Workstation and later we will download it. And next we will see how we can create virtual machines by using VMware Workstation. First of all, we will see what is virtual machine. A virtual machine is a software-based emulation of a physical computer. It creates a virtualized environment that simulates a complete hardware system including CPU, memory, storage, and network interfaces. Virtual machines provide several benefits, including increased flexibility, scalability, and security. Multiple virtual machines can run on the same physical hardware simultaneously, allowing users to isolate and encapsulate applications and operating systems. Virtual machines are commonly used in data centers and cloud computing environments to provide on-demand computing resources to users. Now we will create Windows virtual machine using VMware Workstation under IaaS, that is Infrastructure as a Service. These are the steps how we can create a virtual machine by VMware Workstation. The very first step is Start VMware. Next, from the File menu, select Create a new virtual machine. Third step is choose to install the operating system later and click Next. The fourth step is select Windows as the guest operating system and then choose Windows 10 as the version. Click Next. The last step is provide a virtual machine name and location where the machine will be stored on the Windows host. The defaults are fine here. Click Next. Before creating virtual machine from VMware Workstation, we have to download the VMware Workstation. You can directly download it from Technospot website or simply search it on Google VMware Workstation download. Click on the very first link, scroll down and click download now. It will take few minutes to download it. After the installation of the VMware Workstation, click on Create New Virtual Machine. A window will appear that is Welcome to New Virtual Machine Wizard. Just click on the second radio button that is Custom, whereas we can create a virtual machine with advanced options such as SCSI controller type, virtual disk type, and compatibility with the older VMware products. Click Next. Now the next window is choose the virtual machine hardware compatibility. Here are some limitations you can see, and we do not have to change anything. Just click on next option. The next window is guest operating system installation. Here you can see there are three options, that is installer disk image, file, and the third option is I will install the operating system later. Here I am checking the third radio button, that is I will install the operating system later. The virtual machine will be created with a blank hard disk. Just click on next. The next window is select a guest operating system, and there are multiple options available as the guest operating system like Windows, Linux, VMware, AX. And if you want to any other operating system as your guest operating system, then simply just click on other options and you can check the list. There are multiple operating systems are available, but here I am clicking on Microsoft Windows and taking the version as Windows 10 only. Just click on next. The next window is name the virtual machine. So I will not change the name of virtual machine, but if you want to change the name virtual machine, you can change. And this is the location where we can store our virtual machine. And you can also change the virtual machine's location. And now click on next. Firmware type. Here there are two options for firmware type. First is BIOS and second is UEFI. Just click on UEFI and click next. Processor configuration is the next window. The number of processor is here too, but here I am taking only one processor and the number of cores per processor is 1. So total processor cores is 1. Now click on next. Memory for virtual machine. Here the memory is 2048 MB, that is 2 GB. So I am not changing it. Just click next. And the network type is I am checking here is news network address translation, that is NAT, and just click on next. Select the input output controller type. I am not changing the option, that is LSI logic SAS. As you can see, it is recommended. Just click on next. Select a disk type. I am selecting here the disk type as SCSI. Click next. Select a disk. I am not changing the option. This is a create new virtual disk. Just click on next. Here you can see the window is specified disk capacity. So the option is 60.0 and split the virtual disk into multiple files. Actually, splitting the disk makes it easier to move virtual machine to other computer, but may reduce performance with very large disk. So I'm not changing the option, just keep it same. Click on next and specify disk. Just click next, and here the option is finish. As you can see, our virtual machine is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you all liked it. Have a good day. Thank you.